Okay, this is basic 5 mathematics, still on metric length, and this is teacher Ijeoma. And remember, in the previous class we've introduced the topic metric length, and we were able to solve one or two problems on addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Okay, so today we want to look at division of metric length, and we call it look at what conversion. Okay, I will give you conversion hints as usual, not different from what we have been doing in metric weight and capacity. And then we will be converting from higher units to lower units, and from lower units to higher units. Okay, now in our division, I told you that unlike other three of them, that is addition, subtraction, and multiplication, you know, in those ones, what we were putting down is our remainder. While in division, the reverse is the case. We'll be putting down our whole numbers. Okay, now let's solve. Here we have 6 into 25. How many 6 do we have in 25? We have what? 6 into 25, because 6 times 4 is 24, so we have 4 remainder 1. So this is what we'll put down, 4, and carry 1 over. Now 1 cm, if you remember, is equivalent to 10 millimeter. Okay, so what we'll be doing is 10 plus 8, that will give us what? 18, and then 18 divided by 6 is 3, right? Okay, now going over to the next one, we have 8 and 26, and 8 into 26 will be giving you what? How many 8 do you have in 26? Remember, 8 times 3 will be giving you 24, right? So we have 3 remainder what? 26 minus 24 is 2, so 3 remainder 2. So we have your 3 remainder 2. Now we are converting 2 meter to centimeter. What do we do? Remember, 100 of this will be giving you 1 of this. Okay, so 1 meter gives you 100 centimeter. Now 2 meter will be giving you 2 times 100, which is what? 200 centimeter. Okay, so over here we have 200 plus the 75 that we have, right? So we'll be having 275 divided by 8, right? So 8 here, 1. How many 8 do you have in 27? We still have our 24, right? That is 3 remainder. Here we have 3 remainder 3, and 8 into 35, we have 4. 8 times 4 is 32, so we have 4 remainder 3. So we'll be having 34, and we are carrying 3 over, right? And remember, 1 cm equals what? 10 millimeter. So 3 cm will be giving us 3 times 10 equals what? 30. 30, and 30 plus the 2 we have will give us 32. 32 divided by 8 is what? 4. Is that clear? Okay, so we go back to the next one. 6 divided 8 will give us 1. Remember 1, 2, right? And remember, between this and this, we have 1 kilometer will be giving us what? 1,000 meters. So when we have 2 kilometers, is what? 2 times 1,000, that is 2,000, right? Plus the 400 we already have, so that is 2,400 divided by 6. Okay? Now 6 here, 1, 6 here. 6 into 24 will be giving us what? We have 4, right? And then 6 here we have 0, 0. Okay? So let's find out. Let's look at it again. Okay, we've gone through, right? Okay, from here we'll be looking at conversion means that I promised to give you, right? Now, remember in our previous lessons, when we were converting from higher units to lower units, what did we do? We said you multiply, right? You multiply. Now, from lower to higher, you divide, okay? Now, having that in mind, let's look at converting from millimeter to centimeter. Remember, 10 millimeter will give us 1 centimeter. So that means you're converting from lower to higher, okay? And what do? You divide. What are you dividing with? You divide with 10, okay? You divide with 10. Is that clear? Yeah, I think I can find this way. Okay, now, when you're converting the other way around, you're converting from centimeter to millimeter, this time around from a higher to a lower unit, so you will multiply. You multiply with what? With 10, okay? Hope you know why we are multiplying with 10. I already told you that first you know that 10 millimeter will be giving us 1 centimeter. Okay, so now from centimeter to meter, remember 100 centimeter is what? 1 meter. So you're converting now from a lower to a higher unit. So what do? You divide. What are you dividing with? With 100, right? You divide with 100, and the other way around, you multiply with 100. Okay, so now when you're converting from meter to kilometer, 1000 meter will give you 1 kilometer, right? So you're converting from a lower to a higher. So what do? You divide, right? What are you dividing with? You divide with 1000 because kilo is involved, right? You divide with 1000. So the other way around, when converting from kilometer to meter, higher to lower, you multiply, right? So you multiply with 1000. So I'm going to give you 1 or 2. I will solve with you, and then I'll give you what you solve at home. Okay, let's see how we will convert from a higher unit to a lower unit, okay? And the first one, we have change 2 meter to centimeter. I remember we talked about what we should do when we are converting from higher to lower units. We multiply, right? Okay, so because cent is involved, you're multiplying with 100, right? Okay, so let us start. 1 meter will give you what? 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeter. So 2 meter will be giving you 2 times 100. That is 200 centimeter. Okay? Now the next one, we have 1 cm equals what? 10 millimeter. Now when we have 5 centimeter, we will be doing 5 times 10 equals 50 millimeters. Okay, so in this one we have 13 meters and 13 centimeter, all to cm. So you know that this already is in cm, so we are not converting this. We'll convert this and we add 13 to it. Okay, so we have what? Remember, 1 meter is equivalent to 100 cm. So when we have 13, you know what to do. 100. 13 times 100 plus 13. Okay, that will be giving us what? 1300 plus 13. And that is 1313 cm. Okay, so the next one, we are converting from a lower unit to a higher unit. Okay, so this time around we're dividing, right? So in this case we have cm and meter. So we're dividing with 100 because of cm, right? Okay, so we have here 1 cm equals what? equals what? 1/100 meter. Okay, so this 3,500 cm will be giving you 3,500 times 1/100, and that will be giving us what? 3,500 over 100. Okay, and that is 35 meter. Can you see that? Okay, so coming over here we have our 10,000. Okay, now remember that 1,000 millimeter gives us what? Gives us what? 1 meter, and 1 millimeter will give us 1/1,000 meters. So when we have 10,000 millimeter, we'll simply do 10,000 over 1 times 1/1,000, and this will be giving us 10,000 divided by 1,000. Okay, this will go with this to give us what? 10 meter. Is that clear enough? Okay, we go back to the next one. Here we have 1,000 meter equals 1 kilometer, and 1 meter equals 1/1,000 kilometer. So when we have 1,000 meter, you simply do what? 1,000 over 1 times this. Okay, and that is giving you, okay, no, we have what? 7,000 meter. Okay, 7,000, right? 7,000, that is what we are converting, and that is what we have here. So this will be giving us 7,000 over 1,000. Okay, and that is simply 7 kilometer. Okay, so go through it. Go through it, okay? Okay, so we've seen how we convert from meter to centimeter, centimeter to millimeter. We equally did this, centimeter to meter, millimeter to meter, and you know. So you go through it and then you solve this for me as your assignment, okay? So any challenge or you need more clarification, you let me know in the comment section, okay? Thank you.